Hey guys, so today I want to explain something called as right of way. Now this happened to me on the highway, so I could not record it at that time, but I thought I'll just give you a small idea. Now just imagine this is a truck here, and there's a car here, and there's a car here. Okay, and I'm in the center lane. I'm planning to overtake, right? Now what happens here is that since I am in this lane, I actually have the right of way, and I should be allowed to go first. But what happened was when I came this close, this car that was here decided to cut into my lane and overtake before me, due to which I had to brake hard. It did not wait for me to actually slow down or anything like that, and there was no indicator or anything. So, in these cases, I would really suggest that when you are going into a lane, first of all, of course, you know, that if someone is there in that lane, you have to see that person and wait for that person to go, and then you can go, not just cut into someone's lane like that. So, there is a concept abroad called the right of way. In this case, the right of way was mine, but this car just suddenly jumped into my lane, and that is something really scary. Now, I would just request everyone to give the right of way to the person who is in that lane and let that person go first. Then, when you have space, give three indicators, make sure there's no one, and then get into that lane. So, that's all for today. Please follow the right of way. Use indicators while giving changing lanes and be safe. Take care.